So we're seeing an absolutely beautiful setup for Nvidia right now, heading into earnings this upcoming Wednesday. So we have to break down the charts in this video, go over my thoughts, kind of how this week went, and overall what I'm doing heading into earnings with this stock. But first, guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and you might as well get your free stocks from Moo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer, and the clock's ticking, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers, let's get right into the video. So Nvidia went down over 3% on the day today, and we actually hit $140 per share at about 2:20, 2:30 p.m. on the East Coast, and then we rallied a bit, which makes sense considering we got beat down all day. So we rallied a bit into close, and we closed at about $142 per share. But still, we went down $5 per share on the day, and this entire week, for the most part, we've been downtrending. Earlier in the week, we were at about 148, which, by the way, we got rejected there literally every day this week except for today. I mean, you guys see it here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh my goodness, right? 148 is insane. And today we just fell through. We broke the lows from yesterday, from Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. We actually hit a fresh low today for the week. And on the 10-day chart, you guys are seeing now, we're starting to slip, right? We're under the moving averages on this time frame. We have a death cross. We're at the bottom of this channel right now, so we are a bit oversold, which is good. We'll talk about that here in a second. But yeah, overall, we are down percentage-wise now about 5-6% off the highs. Not a big deal, but you know, it's worth watching because we're heading into earnings, and this setup looks pretty interesting. You guys can see, look, here you guys notice the bottom of the channel. We're slightly under the moving averages. This is the 1-hour chart, and here on the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see now we're pretty oversold here as well, and we're approaching the 180, and this overall trend line, you guys are noticing that, which we've held now for about 3.5 months. So I think this spot right here is going to be a beautiful buy the dip opportunity, in my opinion. And I actually bought shares, believe it or not, right before the dip. So I bought a little bit more. I nibbled at like 144, 45, whatever. Now I'm looking to buy more. I'm looking to buy even more here in this range. Between 135 and 140 if it gets to 135. But overall, guys, this looks really good. The chart looks really good. We're simply cooling off a bit after hitting all-time highs, seeing a huge rally, and this is setting us up beautifully into earnings, because if earnings crush it, which I think they will, if guidance is very strong, and we're looking forward to guidance, of course, with all the chips, Blackwell, we want to learn more about that. If we get positive guidance, man, we're oversold as well heading into earnings, man. This could really start just ripping like no other back towards 150, heck, maybe over 150, and it could go a lot higher from there. I don't know. But Nvidia at this point, guys, is a must watch. We're heading into earnings next Wednesday, and we're going to break it down more. Probably in my video on Sunday, I would think. So make sure to subscribe. We'll break down the numbers a bit further, what to expect. But for now, for this video, just know we're setting up beautifully. We're oversold, which is a good setup, because if they crush earnings, the stock could end up ripping. Whereas, you know, to play not devil's advocate, but the opposite here would be if we were way overbought and earnings weren't that great, or even if earnings were good, maybe there's too much priced into the stock. Maybe it's priced to perfection. So I'd much rather be oversold, especially in a great company like Nvidia that's been crushing earnings. I'd rather be oversold heading into earnings because that sets us up for that big move. So that's a quick breakdown there. And there's a bunch of other stocks here, guys, in the AI space, if you will, that I'm watching that are interesting. Some, the charts look better than others. Some are more beaten down than others. But some other ones I'm watching, we have AMD, which keeps on getting hit, man. This is another stock that I've been buying recently. I bought more a couple days ago, I believe. And I think last week as well. And I bought initially, built my position out, started to at least. I think a couple months ago, might have been in June, May or June, in this ballpark right here. So, yeah, it's been pretty flat since I bought it. I think my average cost now is in the high 140s, somewhere in that ballpark. So I am down, but I am looking average down on it. And if it falls to the 120s again, which it looks like that's where it's trending, I'm probably going to buy more AMD. You guys can see here in this channel, if it gets to the bottom of the channel, that puts it anywhere from 110 to 120, which is, that's not the best on the charts, but it opens up a beautiful opportunity long term because I think AMD is going to crush it long term. I think the stock is maybe not a screaming, undervalued, bargain basement price, but I definitely think there's some value here, which is why I'm starting to add a little bit more to it. But yeah, that's AMD. We also have ARM Holdings, which fell about 5.5% today. This is starting to break trend here. Not the best sign overall for ARM Holdings. It actually looks like we have Head and Shoulders. Oh my God, look at that Head and Shoulders, clear as day there on the yearly chart playing out. This looks like it's going to collapse any moment. Maybe it's starting already. Not the best setup here for ARM Holdings, but that's a quick look there. SMCI, which don't even get me started, man. This has been in a whirlwind of chaos the last couple of weeks, months for that matter. But this stock is at $18 now. Over the last couple of days, it's fallen from $24 to $18. That's just this week. And over the last couple of weeks, we went from $50 to where we are now, which, yeah, it's down 65%. Not a good look at all for SMCI. It's in, deep trouble, if you ask me. And Taiwan Semiconductor, this is one that I'm looking at actually as a trade. It is a bit oversold right now. Yes, we are starting to break under the moving averages, which I'm not loving. But overall, the trend is holding. We're right around the old resistance here at about 185, 190. We're right around it, so maybe we rebound over it again. Maybe we bounce on it. That'd be ideal here for the Bulls. But look, man, it hit 215 back in the middle of October. We were a bit overbought. Now we got a nice cool off. Trend is still holding. Very strong company, TSM. Sure, there is a bit of risk now with Trump. I get it, no doubt. Probably why it's selling off the last couple of days here, whatever. But I think it could rebound, and I'm watching it for that reason. Ticker symbol TSM. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I don't want to drag it out too long. I know you guys got stuff to do, so yeah. But before you click off, make sure to sign up to the email list. It's free, and I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every single Monday. It's linked down below. Put your first name and your email. Again, completely free, no spam, no BS, none of that. And you're getting my top 3 stocks every Monday. And you might as well get your free stocks while you're at it. Literally, free money for Moo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1%. So guys, use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com nvda.com/Mumu. Get your free money. And again, sign up to the email list. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next one.